Thank you, Nomad. Welcome everyone to this late night session. Thank you all for joining. All right, welcome everyone. So if you guys don't know, I am live on Instagram and on YouTube. So if you guys aren't subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, make sure you guys are subscribed so that you guys can get alerts whenever I am live on YouTube. And on YouTube, you guys should be able to see my whole screen a lot better as well. So make sure you guys go take a look at the YouTube live as well, and not just the Instagram live, because Instagram can only show only a few part of the bigger picture on the screen here. So hey Diro, what's up? Okay, so let's go ahead and start. So we have let's actually talk about the overall markets first. So what we're seeing here, okay, so I've already told my CFO Swing Watch members and CFO Discord members, but I'm still being very cautious, okay. And the reason why is that, well, let's take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, right, DJI, right. And if you guys take a look here, we're forming a nice descending channel, right? And if you guys didn't know, for all of last year and all of 2020, we've been going straight up in a nice ascending channel. And this time, we decided to break down that ascending channel for the first time in a long time. And eventually, we started to go down. And now we're forming a nice downtrend descending channel, which is bullish, but the price is regardless going to go lower, right? Because we're conforming to this descending channel, right? So, hey, what's up, guys? This is DJI for everyone who's wondering. We're talking about the overall markets right now and how the overall markets look, okay? So, like I said, I'm being very cautious still. I'm still hedging, right? Even if a lot of people think that we are having a nice bounce and we can potentially come back to all-time highs, I'm still being cautious of that, right? I'm not gonna say, oh yeah, last week's bounce was amazing, okay, and this bounce is going to sustain itself and we're going to go right back to all-time highs. I am not thinking that, okay? We're going to continue to go lower for now because of the fact that DJI right here, for example, right, we're in this descending channel and we rejected off of this descending level of resistance today. And if we take a look at SPY as well, okay, SPY is the same situation, okay? We are seeing a nice descending level of resistance here, and we rejected off of it, and we are seeing some resistance at the daily 200 SMA. And if you guys are wondering what the daily 200 SMA is, it's my yellow line here, okay, that my cursor is following. So this is a critical level of support and resistance. Currently it's resistance because of the fact that we are underneath this critical simple moving average. Right, hey, what's up, Danny? What's up, Richard? What's up, guys? Good to see you guys here. Everyone on YouTube, welcome as well. Thank you all for taking time out of your nightly routine and joining this session. But with SPY here, all right, I have a nice hedge for all my longs that I have. And if you guys want to know what my longs are, what I've longed today and last week, you guys should be in the CFO Swing Watch and in the Discord. But for SPY here, we are, like I said, we don't know where we could go from this point forward this week because of the fact that we ended up with the doji candlestick, right? This is a very indecisive candlestick here, and for the fact that we also ended up with the doji at resistance, that should be telling a telltale sign that there's a good chance that sellers could come in and we can pull back. And the first pullback support that we need to see hold is around 440. Now, if we break this level of support, so if I make it easier for you guys to see, so this line that I just turned green, okay, this is the 440 support price level, right? And in order for us to see some type of consolidation underneath, okay, underneath this level right here, this descending level of resistance, we need to come back down, pull back, bounce on top of this, and then start flagging here. And eventually, all right, we should be able to see a nice big breakout to the upside. That will be our ideal bullish situation. Okay, so like I said though, right, I'm not fully convinced of this big run that we've had since last week. Right, I need to see a confirmed breakout this week in order to have a confirmation that yes, last week's bounce was indeed a bottoming price action where we can potentially see a nice March bottom. All right, hey, it's Junior. What's up? What's up? I'm doing good. How are you? All right, so everyone, give me a thumbs up. Give me hearts on Instagram if you guys understood that all. Okay. Now, for people on Instagram, you guys should know that I am also live on YouTube. So if you guys want to see the bigger screen here, and if you guys want to see what I'm seeing completely, head over to my YouTube. Make sure you guys like and subscribe because if you guys want to see when I'm live, you guys will get a YouTube notification as well in your emails. Hey, Trading Tower, what's up? Okay, so for SPY here, make sure you guys take a look at the 440 level. But if we pull back strongly tomorrow, all right, there's a good chance that this week we come back down to 435, which is my next bigger support level. Now, if we don't hold this 435 level, there's a good chance that we come all the way back down and we continue to head lower. Because why? Well, like I said, when we first started the live, we're in a descending channel here. Okay, we're in a descending channel. Don't forget about that, right? So just because we had a nice bounce last week does not mean that we can continue this uptrend because we're still in a descending channel. Hey, what's up, OJ? Right, so with that in mind, okay, actually let's bring the music back. Okay, so with that in mind, let's take a look at what tickers that you guys need to trade tomorrow. All right, what I'm personally looking at as well. Okay, so Macy's. All right, so Macy's is a name that I've given out on Sunday, yesterday, to my CFS Swing Watch. You guys are getting a little tiny freebie here. All right, so Macy's. I'm looking at Macy's, and if you guys were in my lives, I think about maybe earlier this month, or even no, not earlier this month. It was late February. Okay, I told you guys to look at Macy's because of the fact that on the weekly time frame, I mean, look at this consolidation. Right, this is so good. Right, after a nice big run up, and for the fact that Macy's is a retail name, right? It's a brick and mortar store here, and for the fact that Macy's is going into e-commerce as well, and Macy's is a very good candidate for you to watch tomorrow through $28. And if we're able to break above this base, this can fly right back to above 30s. All right. Hey June, yes. QQQ, I'll go over that after M here. So make sure you guys take a look at M here because even on the weekly time frame, this looks very good. We've been bouncing on top of the 50 SMA, right? It looks very good, and for the fact that on the daily time frame, we're getting a little tiny pullback just tells you that this can be a nice flagging action for the rest of the week, and possibly next week we can have a nice breakout above 28. Hey Joel, what's up? Okay. So that was a little tiny freebie for you all. And QQQ. So June QQQ. Same thing like I've been saying for weeks and months. We're still in a big head and shoulders chart pattern, right? And we have this nice descending level support, which is our neckline for this head and shoulders pattern, which is a very bearish chart pattern. Okay. And on the daily time frame, okay, so that was a weekly time frame. We're right at the top of this right shoulder that we've made on this head and shoulders pattern, right? So for the fact that we've actually retested the 351 support, and for the fact that we are seeing a lot of rejection and resistance at my daily 50 SMA here. So this is my blue line, right? So it's daily 50 SMA, and for the fact that we can see a longer term downtrend. Why? Well, because we have this death cross between the 50 and the 200. Okay, so all the technicals are still showing a bearish signal for all of the overall markets. Okay, so I'm not completely convinced that we are seeing a nice bigger bounce, which is why I told my CFS Streaming Watch members last week to hedge over the weekend. Okay, I told them all to hedge over the weekend, And it's just a great ease of mind, right? If you don't want to hedge, that's fine, but hedging gives you that peace of mind and ease through the weekend, especially after a nice big run up to end the week last week, right? And for the fact that we've headed up straight into resistance as well without much volume. Okay, so I still have, I'm still not fully convinced. I'm still 50-50 on being bearish or bullish. But depending on how this week goes, I'm still going to continue to hedge against my long positions. Okay, so that's QQQ for you all. Okay, and the next ticker that you guys need to watch for this week, UPS. Right? Why? Because UPS is now flagging after a nice big run up. Okay, so it participated in last week's big bounce, and for the fact that we've broken above 211.50 and 212. Hey June, you're welcome. Thank you for coming to the live tonight. So hopefully June, I can see you in the CFS stream and watch in CFS Discord soon, so that I can provide you that mentorship session every single month. Yeah, I'll do Tesla after as well, and the Tesla is one of the tickers that I was going to do next anyway. You're getting everything on the dot here. Nice. So for UPS, we're seeing a nice flagging action on the 2-hour time frame. All right, you guys can look at the 4-hour, 2-hour, it doesn't really matter. But anyways, on the intraday time frames, you guys can see a clear flag formation. Okay, let's draw a really crude drawing here. Okay, so very quick drawing here, but like I said, nice flag. Here's the flagpole. Okay, and now we're consolidating. And if you go back to the daily time frame, if we're able to consolidate for the rest of this week, all right, I'll be very interested in making a nice long position above $220 and above $222 as well. Okay, so UPS set alerts at $220 and $222 if we're able to break above and head back to all-time highs, which is set around $232.03. Okay. Hey, NMA, what's up? Hey, what's up, guys? Good to see a lot of new faces here. Awesome. Right. So UPS is another stock that you guys should be looking for tomorrow. Okay. And for the people who are just joining, guys, you guys haven't missed out on anything. Make sure you guys just take a look at the repost of the live that I'll be doing on Instagram and on YouTube. Okay, so the replay of these lives will be posted right after the live is done. So don't worry, you guys can go back and watch the lives again. Okay. All right. So this is UPS. Okay, so you guys should be looking at UPS for the rest of the week. All right. So next is Tesla. Okay, the reason why you guys should be looking at Tesla next this tomorrow or even the rest of the week is that we reached a technical huge level of resistance. Okay, so let me make a red, and let me turn this back to green. Okay, so this level, this red line that I just turned red is sitting around 943 to around 945, and this is a very big level of resistance that we need to hold and go above if we're able to sustain the big bounce that we had last week. However, we did not, obviously, right? Because we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including today, straight green days, consistent consecutive days, green days here, back to back, right? So tomorrow I'm expecting a nice rejection back down to 900, and we might see some support. And for the fact that, let me look closer here. Okay, the 900 level is also coinciding, okay, with my daily 50 SMA here. All right, so this is my dark blue line here. If you guys can see it, let me get it closer. Right, so right here. So this is my dark blue line right here. If you guys can't see it, let me take out my count sticks. Right, so the 50 SMA is sitting right near this $900 level, this whole number level. So tomorrow, if we come back down to 900, all right, we should be able to see a nice little tiny bounce. But if we do not hold the 900, okay, the next big level support that I expect Tesla to hold in order to continue to the upside is around 887 to around 888. Okay, so 888, right? So make sure you guys have these levels set up, because it'll be easy to chart with your technical analysis and when you're watching the markets live, when you have these levels set up and your alerts set up. So Tesla is one of those names that you need to be watching out for tomorrow and for the rest of the week. Okay. And NMA Pablo, can you chart AMD and MU? Yes. So after AMD and MU, that will be it. Actually, AMD was one of the names that I was about to show you guys as well. But not MU. I do not like MU right now, and I'll tell you guys why later. But yes, so AMD was one of the technical setups that I've given to my CFO Streaming Watch members. So another second freebie here for you all. But AMD here, okay, this is what I said. Okay, long over 117.15 or 115.10, and this is exactly what I was looking over for today. And guess what it did today, guys? Okay, we broke above 115, which was over the previous high of the day. So on this candlestick right here, okay, so on Friday's candlestick, the high of the day was 114.93, and that is the main reason why that I said long over $115.10. Okay, because I want to see a break above the previous high of the day, which was 114.93, right? So it makes sense, right? I want to see a bigger push above the previous high of the day, which will tell me that the buyers are still there from Friday's move, right? So this continuation above the previous high of the day just tells me, and for the fact that we've closed above the previous high of the day on this candlestick right here, tells me that bulls are still here, and the buying can continue tomorrow. Now, the only thing is, okay, this level right here, which I will turn red, all right? So the $117 level here. Hey, what's up, Alex? What's up, guys? What's up, BMAC? There's a lot of new faces here. Welcome, welcome. So AMD right here, right? $117 is the official reversal level that you need to be watching out for, right? So if we're able to break above, okay, $117, okay, if we're able to break above $117, there's a good chance that we can continue to the upside and eventually hit 120, which is my next level that we need to see hold if we're going to continue to move to the upside, right? So make sure you guys are looking at AMD. $117 is the confirmed reversal level. Today we tried to attempt to move above that, but we failed obviously because of the fact that the 50 SMA is also here as well, weighing down on the price, and because 117 is also a huge level of resistance, right? Hey, no stop loss, what's up? Joan, what's up, guys? What's up? Alex, you said market is about to crash. Well, that's a 50-50 right now, okay, 50-50. But yeah, I am still not convinced that we are able to sustain the bounce that we saw last week. So everyone who just joined, guys, literally everyone who just joined, okay, make sure you guys rewatch the live either on Instagram or on YouTube, as they will be posted. And for the people who are not, who do not know that I am also live on YouTube right now, go ahead and go look at YouTube, subscribe, like the video, so that you guys can get alerts that I am live on YouTube as well. So people, if you guys prefer a bigger screen than on your phone, take a look at at my YouTube channel. The link is in bio. Just tap on the YouTube icon in my link tree, okay, and it will give you guys my channel. But like I said, guys, AMD, a good ticker to watch out for tomorrow. All right. So we've gone over Macy's, okay, Tesla, AMD, okay. We'll take a look at MU next. All right. I did say this will be my last ticker for tonight, but like I said, I will do Facebook though for you, no stop loss. Okay. All right. So BC3K, what's up? Dogecoin, yeah. sure, Dogecoin. I actually give cryptocurrency picks as well every single week. And I chose ADA Cardano, so that's another freebie for you guys. Okay, hey Lima, what's up? Okay, so after FB, I'll be finishing the live, and like I said, guys, this live is not too long. I've only been live for 20 minutes. Okay, if you guys want to rewatch the live, rewatch. I highly recommend that you guys rewatch this live. Okay, I gave you guys my market insight that I gave to my CFO Stream Watch members earlier last week. and on Sunday. So if you guys want to get early access on what I think about the market, and they tend to be correct, guys. You guys should know this already. You guys should know that my market analysis and everything tends to be correct. Okay, so if you guys want early access, you guys should join the CFO Swing Watch newsletter and the CFO Discord. If you guys didn't know, as well, I've also added on to the CFO Swing Watch newsletter. I've added a one-on-one mentorship every single month. Right? I mean, what more can I give you guys there, right? So, if you guys want to join, I will be giving each and every one of my new members here, a one-on-one mentorship for 1 hour and 30 minutes every single month for free. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. For MU here, I don't see anything here. Like I said, I don't like the chart because there's nothing to see here. Sure, we had a nice bounce at 76, which is a level of support that I was looking at previously last year. Okay, but really, there's nothing to see here. I don't see a play here at all for tomorrow. If we cross above 80, maybe you guys can get grab calls, and maybe it might push to 82. But you know, there's really nothing here for me. Personally, for me, I like to trade high quality setups, and this is not what I consider a high quality setup. Okay. Let's look at Facebook. Okay, so Facebook, yeah, so great momentum so far, right? Like I said before, on Facebook, I'm waiting until we see higher highs, and that's what we saw last week, right? We made a higher high, right? This is a second higher high, well, our first higher high, technically. This was our previous high that we made, but this is our first higher high here, and we have our first lower low. So if we're able to come back down, pull back this week, and make a second higher low, right, to be in companion with this first higher high, then most likely we can consolidate, pull back, and then come back up and continue to make another second higher high, and then pull back, and then make another third higher low. Okay, so this should make sense. If this does not make sense, guys, grab the beginner's trading guide. Okay, if you guys don't know anything what I'm talking about here, okay, grab the beginner's trading guide in my link in my bio, right? That book literally gives out every single thing that you need to know. Every single foundational topic that you need to know for trading, it gives you everything, literally. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you, right? That the beginner's trading guide is all you need to start out with trading. And especially if you guys aren't grounded in your basics, I highly recommend you guys go back to that book and read it. I myself go back to the beginner's trading guide every once in a while to remind myself of the basics, because everyone is human, right? Everyone is human, and you just can't remember everything forever, right? So we need reminders, right? So that's the reason why I mainly go back to the beginner's trading guide and I look over it, make sure I'm still well versed in the basics, and then I go about my day, right? So make sure you guys take a look at the beginner's trading guide. Grab your own copy. It's really beneficial that you guys have one with you at all times, and also it's a PDF copy. So you guys can access that anywhere you want, on your phones, your laptops, anywhere around the world, right? So make sure take a look in my bio. Get out this live right now. Take a look in my bio, and grab your copy. Okay, so Facebook. I wanted to consolidate below 216, which we started doing already after rejecting off of it today as well. And we found support around the previous level of resistance around 208. Okay, so this is pretty interesting here. So we might just be able to consolidate right here on this level, which is 208.10ish. Okay, if we want to be a little bit specific, right? So 208.10ish. And if we're able to flag tomorrow and the rest of the week, we can see a nice big momentum push up higher into 220s and eventually above 225, which is my profit target for this short-term bounce. Okay, like I said before, okay, I'm still very 50-50 in the markets. I'm not going to say that we are in a confirmed reversal until I see actual signs that we are ready to move up higher. Right, I've already told you guys what that is as well, and like I said, if you guys want earlier insights into what I think about the markets and what I'm looking at and what I'm looking to trade, make sure you guys go in and subscribe to the CFO Swing Watch so that you guys can also get access to the CFO Discord. Or you get the CFO Swing Watch newsletter and the CFO Discord, and you guys get mentorships every single month. All right, so this is like literally no one else is doing this. No one else, right? I can guarantee you guys that, right? And if you guys don't know what the CFO Swing Watch newsletter is about, go take a look in my bio, right? Take a look at the link in my bio, click on the tab that says CFO Swing Watch and read through it, right? All the information is there, and all you need to do is take action, look at the link in my bio, and read all the information, right? I get the same questions every single time, but like I said, you guys can see the link in my bio, click on it, read it, right? Read the website of the CFO Swing Watch newsletter, and you guys can see what's in it every single week, and what's given to you every single week, right? I'm giving you guys high quality setups. I do my technical and fundamental analysis for you all. I do the research for you all. I do, maybe around 10 hours of work every single weekend for you all. So make sure you guys take a look at the CFO Swing Watch newsletter if you guys want to get in these awesome plays that I have for you all every single week. And if you guys want to see some of the last week's winners, take a look at my most recent reel. Okay, if you guys take a look at my page, at my Instagram page, click on the Reels tab, okay, and you guys can see what we did last week, and all of them were winners, right? Every single pick that I usually do every single week, they turn out to be huge swing trade winners. So if you guys are interested in swinging with me, take a look at my link in my bio, right? That's all you have to do, and all the information is laid out to you all, okay? All you have to do is take action, take a look at my link in my bio, and that's it, right? Hey, Jay, what's up? Okay, so that is it for tonight. This live is less than 30 minutes, so take a look at the recording of the live. I will be posting this right after I go off here. But like I said, if you guys have any questions, please DM me. But all the answers to your questions is usually in the link in my bio. Okay, so hopefully I can see you guys in the CFO Swing Watch, okay, and in the CFO Discord, so that you guys can also receive your monthly mentorship sessions, one-on-one mentorship sessions, right? You guys get 1 hour and 30 minutes per session, okay? These one-on-one mentorship sessions are all for you guys, okay? I really care about how you guys trade, okay? So hopefully I can see you guys in the Discord soon. Okay, have a great rest of your night, guys. I thank you all for joining, and excuse me, and I apologize in advance if I sound a little weird. I just got my braces tightened. It really hurts. So I'm pretty sure everyone who has braces before in the past knows what's up. But yeah, if I sound like I have a lisp or something, if I can't pronounce certain words correctly, I apologize for that. That's just my braces, inconveniently not allowing me to speak correctly. All right, have a great rest of your night. Good luck trading tomorrow. You guys should know what to trade tomorrow. Thanks to these people in my live for recommending exactly what I was looking for tomorrow. Good night, everyone. Good luck, and hopefully I can see everyone in the CFO Discord by the end of this week.